Hello students, welcome to online English class. Today we shall discuss the 8th class English and the topic is the mountain and the squirrel. We shall discuss session 5B, question B, session 5, expressions about best friend. There is a passage having some gaps and we have to fill up the gaps about our friends. My friend is Suresh. He can climb a mountain. He cannot catch a squirrel. He can sing a song. He can solve a word puzzle. He can ride a bike. He can lift a heavy bag. He can compose a poem. He can play the guitar. He can play badminton. Then question C. Rewrite the pairs of sentences by connecting them with but. Question 1. My friend Anita can sing a song. She cannot ride a bike. We have to join the two sentences using the conjunction but. Its answer is my friend Anita can sing a song but cannot ride a bike. Then question number 2. Nandita can do sums. She cannot speak. We shall use she cannot speak English well. We shall join the two sentences using but. Nandita can do sums but cannot speak English well. Then question number 3. Prabal can dance. He cannot box. Its answer is Prabal can dance but cannot box. Here cannot box means cannot do boxing. The game boxing. Then question number 4. Rabindra can drive a car. He cannot ride a cycle. If we join the two sentences using but, then the answer is Rabindra can drive a car but cannot ride a cycle. Then question number 5. Pratap can speak well. He cannot sing songs. The answer is Pratap can speak well but cannot sing songs. Then we have to use some phrasal verbs in sentences relating to the words in the topic, the mountain and the squirrel. There is a word makeup in the song or in the poem. The word makeup is used in the poem. The word makeup is used. We have to use the word makeup in another sentences. Makeup means build. Makeup means build. He should make it up. Similarly, another meaning of makeup is decide. We should make up our mind to do good work. Then take in. Take in means consider. Freedom fight without taking in Gandhiji is worthless. Here in the poem, word taken must be taken in together. That means but all sorts of weather must be taken in together. If we have to make up a year, if we have consider to make up a year, then we should have to consider about all sorts of weather. That means the 6 weathers. We have to consider about the 6 years if to make up a year. Similarly, here make up means build and make up means decide. Then the word taken in is used, but all sorts of weather must be taken in together to make up a year. Here taken in means consider. Consider, taken in consider. Freedom fight without taking in Gandhiji is worthless. Then take in means deceive. The boy was taken in by the shopkeeper. That means the boy was deceived by the shopkeeper. Then another meaning of take in means understand. Take in. I did not took in the meaning of the sentence. Here there is a mistake, please excuse. I did not take in, it would be take in. Wrongly it had been took in. I did not take in, the meaning of the word. Then another word quarrel. Here quarrel is used. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the word quarrel, the phrasal verb to the word quarrel is fall out. We should not fall out with our parents. That means we should not quarrel with our parents. Then another word is deny. Here the word deny is used. Here is deny. Deny is used, and the phrasal verb to the word deny means turned down. The umpire turned down the player's appeal. That means in cricket the players appealed for the out of the batsman, but the umpire turned down. That means he denied. Then call. Here is a word call. The word call is used in the poem, and we use the phrasal verb using call means call at. Call at means met at a certain place. I shall call at your shop tomorrow. That means I shall meet you at your shop tomorrow. Then call in means meet. I shall call in you tomorrow. That means I shall meet you tomorrow. Then carry out. Carry out means do accordingly. The servant carried out the order of his master. This ends the online class. Thank you.